Good morning, children. The new lesson number 9, decimal fractions. Okay, beta. Now, see, children, in your book, one conversation is given between Soumitra and the teacher. So, what is it, beta? Soumitra. Sir, today I saw MRP. What is the meaning of MRP? Maximum retail price is rupees 24.50. Printed on a box of medicine. What does it mean? Teacher, MRP means maximum retail price. The seller can sell that medicine for a maximum of rupees 24 and 50 paisa. See, children, the pronunciation of 24.50 is what, beta? 24 rupees and 50 paise. Rekha. But how does rupees 24.50 means 24 rupees 50 paise? Teacher, 24.50 has been written in decimal form point. So what is 24.50? It is the number is written in the decimal form. Okay. To understand the answer to your question, you will first have to learn about the decimal fractions and then way they are written. Decimal fraction. So now you got it what a decimal fraction means. See, a number, for example, 24.50. So it is known as decimal point. Okay, and this 24 is what means the number before the decimal point is a whole number. And the number after the decimal point is what with a fraction. Or you can say it is decimal number. So this decimal point is what? It is the separation between the whole number part and the fractional part. Got it? So it divides, decimal point divides the number into whole number and the fraction part. Okay. So a fraction whose denominator is 10, 100 or 1000 or any other 10 times the multiple of 10 is called decimal fraction. Okay, so let's see what is decimal fraction. So see beta, right now this definition of decimal fraction. Okay. So a fractions whose denominators are 10, 100,000 or the multiples of 1,000 is what beta? Decimal fraction. For example, 5 upon 10, 68 upon 100, 285 upon 1,000. So this is even here denominators 10, 100,000. Okay. And decimal fractions are always written in the numerator and denominator form. And the denominator is 10, 100,000, so on. Got it, beta? Okay. Now see. It is convenient to write this fraction in another way. To use this new method, let us look at your usual method of writing numbers in this method. We make new place for tens, hundreds, so we can see, children, in the next video we will see the numerical table for the fractions, tens. So always generally in Indian place value system we are seeing ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and so on. Okay, in the left side. So right side, tenths, TENTHS, hundreds, thousand. So the spelling is spelling contain TH in its spelling. That means what? It is fraction. Okay, now decimal point. What is decimal point? The decimal place is created for writing a fraction. When writing numbers, a dot. What is decimal point? Decimal point is a dot. Okay, written after the last digit of the whole part of a number to indicate the end of the part. So let's see decimal point. Okay. So what is decimal point? So decimal point is created for the separation of the whole number and the fractional point. Actually, decimal point is a dot. Decimal point is a dot. Okay. So let's, for example, see here. What is this? 20 integer 3 upon 4. So it is given in the mixed fraction. Okay. So you can say 20 and 3/4. 20 and 3/4. But see children, here denominator is 4. Okay. So it is not the decimal fraction. Yes, you can convert it into decimal fraction. Okay. So what is the decimal number? 20 integer 3 upon 10. That means what? 20 and 3/10. THS. See children, here this 20 is the whole number. So write down 20 and 20 and 3/10. And means here you have to put the decimal point 3/10. So after the decimal, it has put one place 3 upon 10 means 3. Okay, next example, see. Seven tenths. The spelling having S means 7 upon 10. Okay. Or you can say, if you divide this 7 by 10, so you already learned in the division, write down the numerator as it is, count the number of zeros in the denominators, it has 1. So put the decimal point after the 1 place. So 7/10 can be written as 0.7, or you can write 7 upon 10. So it is what in a decimal fraction. It is written in the decimal number. Whenever the word comes fraction, having numerator and denominator. Got it, beta? So see some more examples. These questions are from problem set 36. Write the following mixed fraction as a decimal form and read them. Decimal form and read them aloud. So how will you read this? 3 integer 9 upon 10, or And how will you write in the decimal point? 3. Whole number is 3 and 9/10. 3.9 or 3/9. 3 and 9/10. It is 1 integer 4/10. So here whole number is 1. 1 and 4/10. 1 and 4/10, or you can say 1.4. Okay, so I am giving you some homework to solve. The same question you have to solve it. Okay, so it is you have to write in the decimal form and read them aloud. Got it, beta? So here we are stop. Bye bye children. Bye bye beta.